What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to my kitchen. It's Soul Squad. It is Wednesday, so it is hump day. And you saw the thumbnail. I'm going way back, okay? From the very first thing that got me started on YouTube. It is October. So it will make 5 years this month since I've been on YouTube. Yay! We'll have some balloons or something coming in. Yay! To celebrate my 5-year mark on YouTube, guys, we doing a throwback. I am going to go in with the original mac and cheese that got me started on this YouTube channel. So all the things you need is like Velveeta's cheese, but I like Clancy, but unfortunately Alice didn't have anything. Come on, $11.99 versus $3.99. Which one you like? Which one you like? I prefer the $3.99, but they didn't have it. But I didn't want to stop this video. So, some Velveetas or some spring cheese from Aldi's. You need that. Some cheddar cheese, sour cream, some vitamin D milk because of the fat. And I'm going to go ahead and add that into my pan because my pan is already doing what it needs to do. And I want to burn. Now I'm going to do about 2 cups of milk, guys. 2 cups of milk. But look at my water at a raging boil, and that's all the salt and water. I'm going in with my macaroni noodles, a pound of macaroni noodles, and I'm just going to stir this up just a little bit just to get it where it won't be sticking, and we're going to let that do what it do. So again, I talked about having Velveetas. The Clancy from Aldi's will work perfect in this video, just so they didn't have any. Hey, little girl. That's my granddaughter, y'all. Y'all want to see her? Come here, Anais. Come here, boo-boo. That's, y'all. The day is Tuesday, and I'm making this video on Tuesday evening. The day is her birthday. She is 2 years. Grandma blowing your face. Say hi. Anais. Say hi. She's 2 years old, guys. Today, October the 8th. Alright, you gotta go. Bye. So, I'm going to put my cheeses in my milk that I chopped up. And I'm not using all this cheese just because I'm saving some for my noodles. Once my noodle is hot, I'll open up my cheese sauce. And I didn't get my mozzarella cheese. I said, Andrew, get my mozzarella cheese out of the refrigerator. Half of that. I'm going to get my mozzarella cheese, add in here, because I put half of that in there. And let it all come to a cheese sauce on my noodles boil. So I'll be back. Add the mozzarella cheese. You guys are not going to see it. But when it boils down, it has the Velveeta, the cheddar, and mozzarella. Be back. Guys, my cheese sauce. Look at that cheese sauce. Just how I want it. Yes. Can we say throwback? Good old mac and cheese. Let me get my noodles that's been dripping and ready to go in here. Ooh. Yes, people. What's that? A bad blast from the past, or something from the past, or blast from the past? How you say it? A blast from the past? Oh, y'all, I'm not finished. I'm not finished yet. Oh, so I'm stirring it up. Remember, I told you guys about the leftover. So I found my knife. I don't know what I did with it. Okay. Told you guys about the leftover cheese that I don't melt. I just stick it in here. Yes, big like this. You can cut it down, but it's all gonna melt. That's why I don't cut it down. This is how I make my macaroni and cheese, y'all. Yeah, it's really cheesy. I know, right? I'm gonna wipe my hands real quick. Look at that. This is the video. Everybody's like, oh my God, you see her macaroni? And this is the macaroni that all my family and friends love. Everybody was saying, can you please make the mac and cheese? Now I'm going in. My sharp cheddar, my square. None of the cheese I melt. I let the oven do it all. I don't even use the whole thing. And Thanksgiving is coming. Y'all want to go back and look at my old 2014. Guys, can you believe 5 years? 5 years on YouTube. Thank you guys so much for all the love and the support that you gave me. And, you know, me and my family, accepting my family, accepting me on this platform. I truly, truly, truly appreciate it. Appreciate it, guys. Truly appreciate it. Look at that. Okay, my next step. I know I ain't getting all this macaroni and cheese in here. Now it's good enough, 'cause guess what? Y'all know your brother likes stovetop macaroni. Yeah, I got some kids who like stovetop macaroni, guys. That big one, Joshua, that son of mine, he likes stovetop macaroni and cheese. So I gotta give him this stovetop macaroni and cheese. Oh yeah, I'm going in with a handful of this too. You cannot forget the sour cream. If I can get it open. Ooh, look at my spoon. That's just like a 1/3 cup. Not that much. It's not a big macaroni. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you need. You need this macaroni and cheese. Oh, baby, hey. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys. And don't forget the pepper. What's macaroni and cheese without pepper? Come on now. And this is my secret ingredient. That everybody tell me, you do what? Yes, I do. I sprinkle in some sugar. Just a couple of tablespoons. That's it, that's all. It's not a whole lot. I'm telling you. Check out my old video. I ain't doing nothing different. Get that sour cream up in there. This actually looked like that old video I made. How loose it was and cheesy it was. I make people want to smack their mothers when I make my macaroni and cheese. I got my oven preheated on 400. Y'all know I gotta taste this. The spoon not going back in here. Oh my God!
It's good?
Ooh, child, about to smack my damn self. Let's top it, babies. We can't do nothing but top that. Hope you don't get constipated. I ain't say this was low calorie, honey. I said this was SoulfulT macaroni and cheese. My famous macaroni and cheese that got me started. The ones that got, this is what got my family. Oh my God. This thing is so good. Oh my God. Can I please put Stouffer out of business? Tell me how to get my macaroni and cheese frozen in the stores, thrown out, because you can freeze it and throw it out for 20 minutes, put it in the oven. I have done it. In the oven on 400 for about 40 minutes, guys. We'll be back. When it comes back, it's going to be bubbly and good and all of that. Oh my God. I need to get a different spoon. I don't know if we're going to make it, but it's going to make it. We'll be back. Okay, guys, this is it. Look at this macaroni and cheese. I had it sitting on the tray in the oven, you know, be bubbling. Look at it all on the side. That pretty golden crisp. Oh my God, it smells so good. You know how you smell like cheese baking in the oven, but it smells like it's burning, but you know that smell that you get from like a cheese caramelizing or whatever? I don't even want to dig in it. But if you guys make it, let it sit for like 20 minutes before you dig in it. But I want to end my video. Look at this. Anybody wants some macaroni and cheese? Oh my God. I can't taste it because it's too hot. But look at that. About to smack me 10 people. Oh my God. 5 years. 5 years on YouTube. October this month. Guys, thank you so much for all the love, all the support, all the video watching, all the thumbs up, all the positive comments. There's so much more to come. This is what got me started. My mac and cheese. I hope you guys, I'm gonna put the recipe down just in time for the holidays. Yes. I can't even eat it for you guys because it's hot. It's literally hot. I don't know what to say. Thank you. And you want to get your flour? Is in the description. I knew what else to say. Is in the description below. Oh my God, but this mac and cheese is amazing. Thanks to everybody who ever made it. I had so many comments, so many emails. Oh, I made your macaroni and cheese on Thanksgiving. Well, I made it for this day, I made it for that day. My family love it. Same recipe, just a different year. Like, share, subscribe, guys. Until next time, hit the bell to be notified. And thumbs up this video. I ain't got no parsley in this.